Hi, I'm Fatan Baz. I'm a health coach and a mental health first aider. And my mental health tip for the day is to try to be present in your everyday situations and everyday life as much as you can. What tends to happen is we tend to overanalyze situations. So we're either overanalyzing the past, something that has already happened, a comment a friend said to you, maybe a bad presentation or a bad meeting that happened, and you tend to overplay that narrative and overplay that situation, that it tends to cloud your mood, and it brings you down. And if the past is gloomy, then our expectations of the future will also be gloomy, and you don't want to get into that. So whenever you find yourself just being thinking about the past, just bring yourself back to the present, focus on what you can control, and let go of the past. And the other side of the coin is this anxiety over, or being anxious about something that will happen in the future. So we tend to also worry about things that will happen, and we try to control the future, which is technically impossible. We can't control it. So what you can do is bring yourself back to the present, focus on what you can do right now, what's within your control today. Align yourself with your own personal values, align yourself and do the things that are within your control. And then whatever happens in the future, you'll tackle it in the future. So these are the two tips that I want to give for the day. I hope you found them helpful.